So friends, let's see this delicious green chutney which has no coconut and gets ready in less than 5 minutes. So to our mixer jar, I'm going to add 1 cup of fresh coriander leaves. Next, I'm going to add 2 green chillies, 1 inch of ginger and 5 cloves of garlic. Next, I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoon of this roasted gram dal of phutane. Press everything down if you're using a small mixer jar. Next, I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoon of shev. Now you can also add bhavnagari, half a teaspoon of cumin or jeera, 1 teaspoon of fresh yogurt, some salt to taste, approximately half a teaspoon, adjust it according to your taste, and half a teaspoon of sugar. You can drop the sugar off if you don't want to use it. Now I'm just going to add a 1/4 cup of water and we're going to grind this to a coarse paste. Next, I'm going to add another 1/4 cup of water and grind it to a very smooth paste like this. So you can adjust the water according to how thick or thin you want this chutney. See how lovely the color is. It's a light green color and you can enjoy this with any snack. So friends, I hope you like today's short and sweet recipe and I hope you give it a try. Do visit my channel and see all the recipes I have. I have more than 2,500 recipes. So I'll catch you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.